Hey guys, it's Scott with Scottie B Cards, and in this video I have another pack opening. We have a 11 pack opening here. We have 2010 Topps update looking for Stanton. We have 2022 Bowman. We have 2019 Topps update looking for a bunch of different rookies, including Tatis, Austin Riley, Luis Ariz, Will Smith, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., and a bunch more. 2017 Topps update looking for short prints of Aaron Judge rookies, Cody Bellinger, and more. We have 2004 Topps Series 1 First Edition looking for Yadier Molina rookie cards. 2010 Topps update looking for Nolan Arenado. We actually pulled his rookie last time, so we're looking for parallels of Arenado, as well as looking for other parallels of other rookies like Garrett Cole and other good rookies like Christian Yelich. Then we have an interesting pack. This is 1997 Topps Finest. In this pack, you are trying to pull the man insert is what they're called. They're numbered to 500 if you can get one. They're only available in 1998 Series 2. So not Series 1, but Series 2, which is why this one is so exciting. So let's see what we can do there. Then we have 2003 Topps Chrome. This set is also from Series 2. It has awesome checklist. It has, I know for sure that there's Ken Griffey Jr., Barry Bonds, Derek Jeter, Randy Johnson, a bunch of other Hall of Famers. I think there's like 18 Hall of Famers, or could have been Hall of Famers if not for steroids like Barry Bonds. But I actually have a very fun surprise with this product coming up soon. Then we have 2002 Bowman Draft looking for Greinke and Votto rookies and refractors. There's other great rookies in this set. I know that there's second year Miguel Cabrera. You also have rookies of Rich Hill, Cole Hamels, and Charlie Morton is also in this set. So pretty cool. And then 2014 Topps update looking for, of course, good old Mookie Betts, Jacob deGrom, and other rookies. This is the special pack I have for this video. This Pop-Tart looking thing is a box topper from the 2003 Topps Chrome. And this box topper is numbered to 57. Every single one is. And so we have about a 1 to 3% chance to get a Derek Jeter, Ken Griffey Jr., Barry Bonds, Randy Johnson, someone decent, and I think about a 9% chance to get a Hall of Famer or someone else that's like the next tier down. So this one I don't really want to open because I think it's so cool sealed. I have one other one of these, so I'll do that in the future, way in the future, but I'll do this one at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I'll do my best not to slaughter any names. If you ever want to be humbled, make sure you do pack openings. It will make you feel terrible about yourself as you try to pronounce these names. All right, the card sleeves are ready. Let's see what we can do. Very first pack, looking for Mike Stanton, better known as Giancarlo Stanton. That was a great way to start that, wasn't it? So let's see if we can get anything decent in here. This is a retail pack, so golds are like the only likely thing, but you can get cool things. There's a Mickey Mantle in the back. You like that name. So let's see. First card that we have is going to be a Derek Jeter and Elvis Andrus. That's cool. Jeter doesn't look like he's having too much fun with Elvis Andrus right there. Then we have a Vernon Wells. Then we have a Mike Cameron, Xavier Nady. A cool Ichiro. That's awesome. I love Ichiro. Then we have a Darwin Jackson, and then a Ryan Howard. And lastly, 1969 Mickey Mantle reprint. Pretty awesome. So back to this Ichiro. I actually have an Ichiro foul ball that I got when I was probably 10 years old. I just missed one in the game, and then the ball girl came and gave me an Ichiro foul ball after another one came over. So I almost had two in one game. It was a really fun experience for me over in Seattle. So not bad first pack, not great first pack. Got a Ichiro, got a Jeter. That was pretty cool. 2020 Bowman, looking for prospects, autographs, rookies, whatever we can find. We have a Ronald Acuna Jr., a Stanton, Arenado, Cody Bellinger, Joey Votto, Bo Bichette, nice Jason Dominguez. He actually has some hype building again because he's playing decent. Eduardo Lopez, and then a Taylor, Joshua Baez, Urbina, and a Pedro Pineda. So nothing big in that one really whatsoever, but that's okay. Let's see what we can do in this update pack. Last time we had an update pack, we got two Pete Alonso rookies and an Austin Riley in the same pack. I think we're overdue for a short print or a parallel or something awesome. So let's see what we can do. Brian Reynolds, he had a little stretch there where he was really good. Then we had Freddie Galvis, Alex Jackson, Trevor Cahill. Nice Shane Bieber when he won the All-Star Game MVP in Cleveland. Then we have a Jose Barrios. Then we have a Kyle Dowdry in our rainbow foil. Oh, that's awesome. Austin Riley rainbow foil. That's really cool, actually. It's 2 out of the debut, but that's about as good as you can get right there. So that's great. We'll set that to the side, and we'll sleeve it in just a second. Nolan Arenado, Shane Green, Ronald Acuna Jr., Domingo Santana, Brandon Woodruff, and Yasmani Grandal. So that's a great Austin Riley. I'm going to sleeve that one right now. He's having a heck of a year, that Austin Riley. I'm amazed with how many young stars the Braves have. They've really developed well. Sweet card. Look at that shine. Awesome. Okay, that's by far the best hit so far. Let's see if we can get another short print. You can get rookie short prints out of 2017 update relatively easy out of the hobby. from my experience, I actually believe I pulled an Aaron Judge out of this before. And I didn't know it was a short print at the time. Looking back, I found it, and it was. Do we have any parallels? Let's see. Franklin Barreto, Drew Smiley, Wade Davis, a nice Jake Lamb, Starlin Castro, Mitch Haniger, nice on the 87 stock, I believe, Alex Wood, JP Howell, Middleton, and Colby Rasmus. I always thought that was a funny picture. It looked like he is like an Amish man with a beard. And I don't know if that's intentional or if that's just the way his beard grows. It's pretty cool. Now we have 2004 first edition. Looking for Yadier Molina. I'm going to hide the back card because I don't want to see it. I don't know if I can hide it. Okay, come on, Yachty. Come on, Yachty. We have Preston Wilson. This pack looks like it might stick. Yeah, it's sticking. We got to be careful so we don't rip the cards apart. Kyle Farnsworth. I had him in the last time I opened one of these. Zach Greinke again, and this one's even more off-center. We'll get to that in just a second. Then we have a Joe Torre, cool manager card. Then we have Orlando Hudson, David Murphy first year, Brian Lawrence. Then we have a Casey Myers. There's the Zach Greinke. Got to be careful not to rip the back of this card off. Man, look at that centering. That's a nice 80-20. And then we have a Haido Nomo and a Josh Phelps. I had like the idea I could get some of these and get them graded because they'd come out of the pack fresh. But you can't control centering on these things. It's amazing how, especially when they had borders back in the day, they were just so bad. That's a cool Zach Greinke though. That's my second one of those. So that's pretty exciting. So here's 2013 Topps Update. 2013 Topps Update is interesting because you can get some great players and you also can get some nobodies. We pulled an Arenado last time, and because we pulled an Arenado so early in the hobby box, I'm confident we'll get a second Arenado or hopefully a parallel. Let's see what we can do. Andy Chavez, Luke Scott. This is a Eric Chavez, Oliver Perez. Oh, I thought that was the relic card, not a relic. That's game-winning RBI mark from Anthony Rizzo. That faked me out. A Darren O'Day, a Michael Young. Then we have a Josh Alvarez, Jose Dominguez, and Tazawa. Again, that's the name thing that'll humble you right there when you don't quite know. This is one I'm excited about. This is 1998 Finest Series 2. You can get the man inserts. This pack has 7 cards in it. I counted. So I don't know what that means. It could mean that there's something awesome, or a pack is, one of the cards is kind of just snuck together. So it looks like 7. We'll see what it is. If we can get the man insert, I will have met my goal in buying one of these hobby boxes. So right out of the gate, there is something shiny. So we have a refractor of some kind. I think it's just a base refractor. This is a Wade Boggs. Our refractor is Marcus Grissom. Couldn't have been worse. And then we have another refractor. Is this a dual-sided refractor? I don't want to rip it apart. It might be together. Let's take a peek at this. Is that how the card is? Nope. So here is a dual-sided, no protector refractor along with another refractor, neither of which are really worth mentioning, which is unfortunate, but pretty cool pack. Let's see what else we got in here. Then we have a Bobby Jones. A Randy Johnson. That's cool. I love Randy Johnson. Billy Wagner. That's awesome. I think he'll make the Hall of Fame eventually. And a Matt Stairs. So I wish we could have gotten a Billy Wagner or Randy Johnson in the refractor, but instead we did get the Jermaine Allensworth. This is the no protector, and the Marquise Grissom refractor. That is 1998 Finest. Let's jump into 2003 Series 2 Topps Chrome. Again, looking for a refractor of a Hall of Famer of some kind. Any Hall of Famer would be make me happy, but especially a refractor of someone like Mariano Rivera, Derek Jeter, Ken Griffey Jr., and so forth. And let's see what we can do. Is there a parallel in this pack? Oh, we got a gold. And they actually come with 2 golds in one pack. So let's see. David Bell, Jim Edmonds. So that's pretty cool. And the second gold is a Ryan Jensen. Not as cool as Jim Edmonds. Numbered to 449. So we should get another couple gold refractors per box. And then we do have a Damian Easley. So 2 gold refractors. That's pretty sweet. Jim Edmonds is not a bad one. Now we're looking for Zach Greinke. This is the Zach Greinke pack. And these are expensive, but I had to give it a try because I don't think these boxes are going to be going down because Joey Votto and Greek are both in these. Let's see what we can do. Shane Burnett, Michael Restovich, Victor Martinez, Drew Henson, John Webb. Nice! That is awesome. Awesome. A Joey Votto. Great. I wish it was not off center, left, right, but that is fantastic. Cool, we got a Chrome Votto, so that makes that box more worth it. And let's see what we can get here. A Fred Lewis. Anyway, that's an awesome Joey Votto. I'm going to sleeve this one up right now, too. Sweet. So that's half of the people we're looking for. Now we just have to get the Greinke and out of the next 22 or 21 packs. 2014 update, looking for Mookie Betts. Let's get a parallel. Let's get a DeGrom parallel as well. Let's make this one worthwhile. Technically, you can get autographs. I'm not too confident. There's a gold in this one. So Chris Calabello, Derek Barton, Joaquin Arias, Tony Watson, and Francisco Rodriguez. Not bad centering either. Adam Jones mini. We have a Navarro, Tommy LaStella. He had a hot streak for a while. CJ Cron and Rougned Odor. I didn't know Odor was in this, so some names that we know. But now we have the big pack. I really don't want to open this one, but we're going to open this one. Oh, it's sealed. I mean, it's the seal is broken, I should say. Here we go. Come on, be someone good. Topps Chrome. X-Fractor. Flash Gordon. Not who you're hoping to get out of these packs, but Flash Gordon. So pretty cool. Maybe some Flash Gordon fan out there will overpay for this, but unfortunately not a big player. And unfortunately, you can see up there in the top left, it has a ding corner, though it's been encased for so long, but nothing super big in that pack, unfortunately, with that Flash Gordon. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Again, we did hit a nice Joey Votto. We hit an Austin Riley rainbow foil. Let me grab him real quick. Here's the Votto. It's pretty cool. Here is the Riley. Pretty sweet. And then we did get the Jim Edmonds gold refractor right here. And then we hit the Zach Greinke first edition 80-20 centering card. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.